Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 are going to be the two devices that are going to be coming in next month, and their official leaked images has been arrived. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from the Samsung world. For the first time in the history, Samsung is bringing the under-screen camera which they are working on for years, and who would have thought that it would be the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So right now we have what possibly the marketing material of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's coming with a new leakster on Twitter, and it's an unknown source. We haven't heard before from this user, but the leaks looks convincing, just like the official promo material from Samsung. The most important thing which this leaks confirm is the under display camera, which is most awaited feature which is finally happening, as in these images shows that Samsung marketing the first foldable phone with an under display camera. But these leaked images only shows that the inner display is coming with the under display camera tag, whereas we don't know that the outer display will be coming with any kind of under display technology or not. No, also we have a brand new camera look on the back of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I gotta say that it's look clean, and it's actually based on the S21 camera sensors, and also you can notice that the camera bump is slim too, which gives us a new unique design. Also, we have three new color options for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 this time around, and they are looking like greenish, black, and possibly a silver color option. Moving on to another big feature which people want to see in fold devices is the S Pen support, and now you can see it's finally happening, and the S Pen is going to be a little bit on the bigger side as the images showcase. It's kind of looking like similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra S Pen support, and it's going to be a separate accessory. We are not going to see the inbuilt of the S Pen support inside the device. To use the S Pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, you can notice that it will use the pressure, and to withstand the S Pen pressure, Samsung is going to be bringing a new and improved ultra thin technology which is going to be even better than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Also in the leaks, we have the first ever look of the totally new design of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and if you look at the image closely, you will be noticing that there is going to be a black border which have a much bigger display, which is obviously going to be pretty amazing. And also we are going to see on the left side there are going to be two dual cameras in a vertical shape. Also this could be a stylish device because it is going to be coming with some cool colors, like it will be coming with white, purple, green, greenish colors, and in total, as in the leaks, we are hearing that there are 8 color options available for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. As far as the front display, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Samsung won't be using any under display camera tech inside. Rather than that, we are going to see 120 Hz of refresh rate on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and in addition to that, it will be also coming on the back side with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection. So guys, all in all, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be a pretty amazing device because it is going to be coming with an under display camera, a new camera design on the back side, and also the S Pen support, which is pretty amazing, and I'm looking forward towards that. What do you think about this new technology which is coming in the Z Fold 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.